Exercise 20. Modify the above program so that once a negative number is entered, the program should print the sum of all the positive numbers entered. Okay. The program above is the one from exercise 19. So as usual, we copy it, we paste it here. Now we want the sum of the positive numbers entered. So we'll need to create a variable to store that value. Let's call it user total. I didn't call it sum because Python has an inbuilt function called sum, which we don't want to overwrite. User total equals 0. So every time a number is entered here, we want to add it to the user total. User total plus equals user num. The total is user total. Okay. However, we only want to add the positive numbers. So when the user wants to quit and they enter a negative number, we don't want to add that. So we add here an if. If user num is greater than 0. Sorry. If user num is greater than 0, then we add it there. Okay, add some spaces there just for readability. So we initialize our variables here. Then we get into our loop. We ask the user for a number. If that number is positive, then we add it to user num, or rather to user total, sorry. Then at the end we print the total. So let's try it out. Enter a number. Enter a number 3. Enter a number -8. So it says the total is 5. So it adds the 2 and the 3 and it prints the total. So that's working. Let me add a space here. Okay. Alright, thank you for watching. Please sign up for our Python classes.